Please subscribe.
In the small segment of purpose-built rear-wheel drive compact sports cars, the Toyota 86, formerly the Scion FR-S, offers a uniquely raw experience that's free of frills. Its convertible competitors can keep up and overtake the 86 in performance, but they don't come close to the Toyota in practicality and everyday usability. In fact, buyers who plan to enjoy a regular track day with the 86 will be happy to know that it's possible to fit a second set of mounted tires in the trunk with the rear seats folded. What the 86 lacks in creature comforts and available features it makes up for with a crisp shifting 6-speed manual transmission. An automatic is also available, sharp handling, and strong brakes. Toyota has expanded the 86 lineup for 2018 to 3 trim levels: Base, GT, and GT Black. Stepping up to the mid-range, GT adds leather seats, a 4.2-inch color information display in the gauge cluster, dual-zone automatic climate control, passive entry, push-button start, and the rear wing finished in matte black. The GT Black is essentially the same car, and carries the same $29,280 price, but adds black painted power-adjustable exterior mirrors with heat and a slightly different rear spoiler design with black support posts. On a superficial level, the 86 nameplate was all new for 2017. And by that we mean the actual nameplate, because the 86 is really a rebadged Scion FR-S that was adopted into the Toyota fold after the death of the Scion brand. Besides new badges, there were suspension updates aimed at delivering a better ride, structural enhancements to stiffen the body shell, upgraded engine and exhaust, and improved gearing for manual transmission models. Opting for the base 86 versus the more expensive GT and GT Black models isn't penalizing. It comes standard with plenty of goodies, performance and otherwise, such as Torsen limited slip rear differential, a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment screen, 17-inch wheels with summer tires, leather-wrapped tilting and telescoping steering wheel. Our manual transmission 86 wears a price of $27,150, but an automatic transmission can be ordered for $720 more. All-season tires are available on any 86 model as a no-cost option, and navigation can also be added for $900. Aside from appealing dealer-installed performance parts, the Toyota 86 lineup is free of option packages and add-ons.